I'm Daryl Ponton. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to work on the fire pit and try to get it cleaned up a little bit and see how far I can get with that. Now I got a little time on my hands. I'm going to work on this fire pit and get these weeds cleaned up out of here. Every year we have to battle this grass from growing up, keep fighting it and digging it back. I gotta figure out something to get rid of it. But now we're gonna clean it up, get it out of here, and see how much I can get done on this job. Perfect time of the year to have a nice bonfire outside, enjoy yourself. I wanted to get started on this project, get it cleaned up so we get ready to have that bonfire and roast a few marshmallows or do something to enjoy. Yeah, I put this fire pit in about 2000, 2002. We've had it out here. We have a lot of nice fires in the cooler part of the year, but it kind of got abused over the winter. We was putting our garbage out here. I got a dumpster now, so I don't have to worry about that. And it got clogged up, so I had to clean it out. It just was too much crap in there, so that's what I've been working on in this video. Yeah, when I put this fire pit in, my wife helped me, and the kids were really small, and a lot of the neighborhood kids would come over and they'd try to give me a hand. They were real small, so it was all right. I let them do a little bit of work, give them a little bit of money, make them feel like that they're doing something. I know if I keep plugging away at this, eventually I'll get the job done. But now I'm scooping up wheelbarrow by wheelbarrow, bucket by bucket to try to get this mess cleaned up and make it look like a fire pit again. It was a lot of digging to get it cleared out before we got started. My wife thought it was a good idea when I mentioned fire pit. We threw a few ideas around and figured we'd get started on it. I never did complete it. I'd like to try to get that done this summer, and now that I'm working on it, I'm going to see what else we need and try to finish this up before we get too late into the summer. Now that I'm done working on the lawnmowers for the week, it's a perfect time for me to get outside and do a little odd jobs. This is one that's been long overdue. Once we get her all cleaned up, then we can come out here and enjoy the evenings with a little bonfire and have a good time. Don't really get out here in the summertime. It's a little bit too hot for bonfires, but beginning of the year, when everything starts coming up, that's the perfect time because it's still a little chilly out. Later in the year, when it starts getting a little colder, that's a perfect time also. Right here, I'm picking through some of the remaining scraps that are left in there, sorting out any kind of metals that I can recycle. I always try to sift through the fire and find a little bit of copper or aluminum or something in there that I can salvage before I discard what's left. These brick I got from a previous job, but the guy was taking them out, so I asked him if I could have them. He said sure, so that was great for me. It saved me a little bit of money, but I have to change the slope here in the wintertime. I didn't make no step, and then the first year I did, I realized after I fell on my butt that maybe I should put steps instead of having it slope down. And the ice got on there, it was a little bit slippery. So these pieces here, it's just concrete. There's a little mold that I got from Menards. About one bag of cement will get you 5 or 6 pieces, and they just interlock with each other. It's tedious work. I gotta get it taken care of. It's a mess that piled up over the year. I gotta get going at it, get this thing cleaned out, get it ready. I got it pretty cleaned up now. I mean, it took a while, but it won't stay that way long. That grass just comes right back up through there in no time. So I got to figure out something environmentally safe. I don't want to be using a weed killer or nothing like that. We got chickens and pets, and for now, I think we're getting ahead of it before the grass gets too tall and gets too far ahead of us. I got a little spot over here that I got to finish filling in. That's as far as I got. I'm probably going to take this back wall down, put it on the other side like that, even it out. I think I'd like to have this a little more open on this side. Yeah, this is a little mold I was telling you about. You just put that on a flat surface and mix up your concrete and pour it in there and let it set for a minute or two. Then you pull it up and the biscuits are ready. I mean, they'll take a little time to dry completely, but you know, that's a good way to get started on a project that ain't too much. These blocks here, they're just get them in the landscape department at Menards. I think the time I got them, they were like 40 cents. I'm sure they're way more than that now. Then I got these concrete slabs. I put those down first before I put the walls up, so it have a foundation underneath it somewhat to help hold the wall up so it don't fall over. I got a little projects that are not finished around here, and I'm gonna keep plugging away at it this year to try to get a lot of them wrapped up. This way, if all the projects are done, I might be able to sit down and relax a little while and enjoy a bonfire and have a little picnic outside or something. I want to thank everybody for watching and following along on this video, and I'll keep you posted in the future on future videos of the fire pit.